February is observed as a Black History Month. It's also the month of reggae icon Bob Marley's birthday. Born on February 6, 1945, Bob Marley's music continues to shape a more just, compassionate world. Marlon Samuels gives us some insight into Marley's enduring influence and the powerful messages embedded in his music.
In a world often divided by race, politics, and violence, one voice rises above the chaos with messages of love, unity, and resilience. Robert Nesta Marley is a legend whose music transcends borders and transforms social consciousness. Born on February 6, 1945 in St. Ann, Jamaica, Robert Nesta Marley's journey from humble beginnings to being acknowledged as the king of reggae is a testament to the power of music.
One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. So hit me with music.
On December 3, 1976, 7 armed men stormed Bob Marley's home on Hope Road in Kingston, 2 days before he was to perform at the Smile Jamaica concert.
Entertainer and reggae star Bob Marley, Rita Marley, and the manager of the Wailers, Don Taylor, are now patients in the University Hospital after receiving gunshot wounds during a shooting incident which took place at Marley's home at 56 Hope Road.
He survived the assassination attempt and went on to perform at the Smile Jamaica concert. There he brought the leaders of Jamaica's 2 major political parties together in a show of unity. His songs like One Love, Get Up, Stand Up, and Redemption Song are still anthems of hope and resistance globally.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. And abundant, well, everywhere.
Every year on February 6, fans celebrate his birth to honor his legacy. Bob Marley's music is more than just a sound. It's a movement that continues to inspire change and unity.
The color of a man's skin is of no more significance to the color of his eyes. I've got to say why. And until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race, this your war.
For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.
Peace, war, censorship, and the rule